Okay guys, so I cleaned all these parts as best as I can. I actually had to buy some parts like these valves. Originally I was gonna clean, and I actually attempted to clean the original ones and they cleaned pretty good, but I couldn't get seals for this valve. There is a place where you can buy like an aftermarket kit, and I got that kit, but seals wouldn't fit. So I instead of so I opted out to buy these valves. They're pretty expensive. So anyway, I bought those valves and these solenoids right here. Everything else is cleaned up. Pump, well, it's not a pump, sorry, it's a valve. The valve actually, valve body cleaned up okay. There's not much rust on the inside, so it's pretty clean on the inside. These spools are actually in a great condition. I didn't have to clean much those. Yeah, let's start assembling. Ta-da! Okay, so this valve completely assembled. Next thing that I want to do is to spray paint. I'm gonna tape up the ports and put a primer on it, and then put a coat of paint on it.